Hey, welcome to another segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing a little bit more about water and keeping our plants hydrated. So please stay tuned.
Okay, back again, and I want to talk about water. I was talking about water, how valuable it is, I think the last time we spoke, and I just want to talk about watering your plants. You notice that when it rains, there's always a cloud over wherever it rains, unless it's a sun shower, of course, right? But rain normally comes down when there's like a serious cloud cover, a cloud mass over it. So you don't rain just like the clouds that cover, just like God rains. You want to water your plants maybe at nighttime when the sun is not beaming on them, or in the early morning. You never want to water, when the sun is like just scorching them. This can cause your plants to get scorched by the rain. Okay, by the sun. And so you want to water in the morning or maybe at night, and always water at the base of the plant. You do not need to water the foliage or the leaves or the stem because they look thirsty. No, the plants absorb the water that they need through their root system. So you only need to water the base of your plants. If you have a small garden, this is a practice you want to do. You want to water at the base of the plants, and then you also want to water, like I said before, at night or early morning before the sun really gets up there. Okay, this can be careful. Check the base of your plants with your finger. Stick your finger in the soil. Does it need to be watered? Sometimes it doesn't need it, but you just happen to like to water on certain days of the week. Check the soil with your fingers. See if it needs any H2O or water, right? And with that, that's how you can keep your plants healthy, happy, and well hydrated. Just like you need water, your plants need water. Okay? With that being said, you guys have another great day.